Hey YouTube, I'm going to do a quick review on this leaf blower that I just recently bought off of Amazon. It's made by QuliMetal. I picked this up for 45, I think 59 on Amazon, and already it's gone down to like $41. I got it because I wanted to use something instead of sweeping out the garage or even sweeping out the gazebo up at the lake. Get something like this. I've been looking for a leaf blower for a while, something that you could use like your Milwaukee or your DeWalt stuff or your batteries with. This one has DeWalt batteries. Like I said, it was a pretty good bargain. Like I said, $45. It's made by QuliMetal. It's a real off-brand company, so this comes with the extension wand, which it just clips in. You didn't hear it, but it did clip in. And then the diverter on the bottom, that'll clip in also, which once again you didn't hear it clip in. Also a cool feature is it has six speeds for the air coming out. Also there's a locking trigger. Probably hold it like this, you can see it better. So when you pull the trigger, you can lock the trigger. So I'm going to just go ahead and show you how it works. So far my experience with it is, like I said, it's not like a Husqvarna blower or something to do your whole yard with, but it's more of a blower to like blow out your garage with, or something small, light duty kind of blower. I'll show you real quick. This is some stuff over here on the ground. There's rocks, there's some leaves, but it won't move the rocks, but it'll definitely pick up the leaves or push the leaves. Like I said, as you can see, it's not something that you go and come fall you do your whole yard with, but it is something to blow out the garage or shed or anything small. You even blow off the lawnmowers after you're done using them. So once again, this is my first review, so I'm just letting you guys know. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to be starting to do reviews, also some mechanics videos, stuff that would pertain to maybe doing will it starts or anything like that. Alright, so like I said, if you like what you see so far, just like and subscribe. Please don't be too rough on me for the first video. And if you have any suggestions, send me a message. Alright guys? Alright, YouTube, have a good one.